Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we are unboxing two NBA Cards Crown Royale Hobby boxes. So each box, maniwala man kayo o hindi, is almost 30,000 pesos each. I think they sell for like 27,000 pesos. And before, a couple of months ago, each box sold for around 20 to 21,000 pesos. So that's actually one way on how you make money with NBA cards. You don't open the box. You just buy the box and you keep them, and eventually pag tumaas presyo, tsaka nyo ibenta, di ba? But anyway, so yan ang ating vlog for today. But before anything else, a quick shout out lang to Seth for sending this. Wow, ganda. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom. Let me know if we should sell this at Unbox Green Hills for Project 71. Can be a great collaboration. So let me know guys, comment down below if ibibenta namin to. So yun, tingnan natin, baka makachamba. Buksan natin tong dalawang to. Okay, so again, we have two packs or two boxes, 8 cards per box, and each box has an autograph and a memorabilia card. So tingnan natin kung ano yung laman niya, hoping for some good hits. By the way, to those who are commenting na medyo sugal daw ang dating na. Okay, so tingnan natin. First box. Woohoo! Exciting! Shoutout nga pala to Home Court Hobbies over at Unbox Green Hills. Nandun sila sa the cardboard corner for the amazing deal on these boxes. Meron din silang box break group, guys. So make sure to check them out. So, yan, laki-laki ng box. Yan lang yung laman, no? Okay. So, yan na yun. Ito na yun. Actually, I did a box break challenge before with Billy De La Fuente on this one. So, panoodin nyo yun sa channel niya. So, anyway, so ito na yun. Hoping for some good cards. So, let's start. We have a Pascal Siakam over here. We have Rudy Gobert. We have John Collins. Yeah. I'm actually looking for a patch auto of this guy kasi I'm trying to complete my parang patch auto starter set of Atlanta kasi Atlanta is my favorite team. Doon si Trae Young, syempre idol natin yon. We have Kemba Walker from the Boston Celtics. We have Isaiah Stewart, rookie card from the Pistons. By the way, tip sa mga mahilig sumali sa box break, pick Detroit. They have so many rookies. I mean, it's so hard to not get a hit, at least one hit, if you go Detroit. And then we have Zeke Naji, heirs to the throne from the Nuggets. Okay, so we have, ilan ba to? 2 more cards. So buksan natin to sa likod. We have the red Poku. Wow, ang ganda. Ano number niya? 34 out of 49. Nice! Ang ganda ng efekto. Tignan nyo guys. Ang ganda ng mga cracked ice effect niya. So this is a really nice card. And then yung ating autograph card, which can be found here at the back. Lagyan na naman ng konting drama. Traded to the Pelicans. Eric Bledsoe. Eric Bledsoe. O, diba? Sticker auto. And then meron pa tayong bronze na cracked ice dito ni Miles Turner. Buksan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano laman niya. Okay. So again, we have the pack. Alam mo, nakakatakot dito. I see some box breakers when they do this. Parang inisip ko minsan, yikes, paano kaya ako nagupit nila yung card, no? Parang sobrang scary. Anyway, so game. So let's do this. Hoping again for better hits. Okay. We have D'Angelo Russell from the Wolves. We have Carmelo Anthony, who's now moving to the Lakers. By the way, let me know what you guys think dun sa ginawa nila, no? Dun sa Lakers. Parang that's super interesting how they're building a stable of medyo mature talent. I know that there's a reason to that, pero medyo nakakaba how they will build that up again after Pascal Siakam, Rudy Gobert, and then ang ating, sino to? Killian Hayes. So kakasabi ko lang sa inyo, di ba? If you pick Detroit, the chances of you getting something is very high. O, tingnan niyo yan. Detroit na naman. Anyway, tingnan mo natin yung nasa likod. We have, boom! 49 out of 99, Luka Doncic. Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Nice! Okay. Now that's a nice hit. That's a really nice hit. Ganda. Tsaka ang ganda talaga ng cracked ice, no? Nandating. So, dahan-dahan natin ito ilalagay dyan. Mamaya, i-ano natin yan. Easy sleeve. So, ilan pa ba? Meron pa tayong 3 cards. Buksan natin to. Yung nasa likod, which is a Devonte Graham, which is the PC of Paulo Tomenes. Ganda nung efekto. Nakita niyo yan? This one. It's a really nice effect of the card. Sobrang gusto ko yan. And then we have ang ating last card. Saan siya? RJ Barrett, New York Knicks. New York Knicks, RJ Barrett. Ganda nung, ganda oh. Triple color. Color ng Knicks. RJB. 6 out of 10. Yun nga lang, medyo may tama. Kung titingnan nyo yung taas oh. Pero 6 out of 10. Knights of the Round Table, RJ Barrett. And then yung Killian Hayes natin. Di ba? Walang talo sa Detroit eh. Okay guys, so let's do a quick recap. So ito na yung mga medyo magaganda. We have of course rookie card ni Isaiah Stewart. We have bronze ba to na cracked ice? I'm not sure what the term is. Devonte Graham. We have Miles Turner from the Pacers. We have Pokusevski. Ganda, 34 out of 49. Ganda talaga ng effect. Kaya na ko pa pinapakita sa inyo but I really like it. It's a really nice card. So we also have, of course, heirs to the throne, Zeke Naji from the Nuggets, Knights of the Round Table. This is out of 99 ni Eric Bledsoe from the Pelicans. Yan o, tingnan nyo. You have the autograph over there on sticker. Linigyan ko na ng mags kasi maganda tingnan pag naka-mags. We have Killian Hayes, heirs to the throne. We also have, ito talagang ganda, RJ Barrett. 6 out of 10. Gold Knights of the Round Table. Ganda pa nung patch. Patch ba yan o GU? Someone please educate me. Alam niyo naman, di tayo expert dito. Nag-enjoy lang tayo, di ba? And then of course, we have Luka Doncic, 48 out of 99. Ganda talaga tignan pag naka-mags. Anyway, so yun lang. Yun ang atin. Of course, we have the other cards over here. Pero hindi na natin siya ano. Pero yan yung mga main hits natin for today's break. And yun ang ating box break for the day. Grabe, kailangan ko na talaga magpagupit. Sige nga, tanungin ko kayo, kung magpapagupit ako ng buhok, if I were to get a haircut once ECQ is over, apart from, kalbo, kasi hindi ko talaga feel mag-ubusin lahat ng buhok ko and I like my hair, what haircut would you guys recommend me? So, I will lead that up to you. Comment down below anong magandang gupit. Type nyo lang kung ano man tawag sa gupit na yun and then I will just Google it. And if I like it, then susundan ko yung advice niyo at sabihin ko yun sa barbero ko pagkatapos ng ECQ. Diba? Lakas ng loob, inasa sa comment section. So, yun yung box break natin for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Simple lang, chill lang siya. And sa mga nag-aalala na baka nagtatapon po tayo ng pera, huwag kayong mag-alala. May sistema ako kung paano ko napapaikot lahat yan. From the box breaks, to personal box breaks, to even how I liquidate the cards. I don't amass them. Baka iniisip niyo lahat ng cards na yan nandito lang. Hindi po. May sistema po tayo dyan. I usually either razz them or sell them or whatever. So there is a system to the madness. So chill lang kayo. I know what I'm doing. Okay? With that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.